Hi there, and welcome back to another potato reveal in my late September garden. It's been a decent sized plant, so I'm hoping for a decent sized harvest and maybe another keeper. We'll see. The chickens were really happy with the last pot because of the grubs, and I can already see that here's more grubs inside. So yeah, at least the chickens will be happy with it. Let's see if I find something. Ooh, that's, yeah, badly damaged. It was staying in the pot in soggy soil for too long. I still have 4 pots with TPS seedlings to harvest, and I had the room to place those in a reasonably dry area where it's not raining on them all the time. So I'm hoping to have less rotten tubers in those. But I didn't have the room for all of them to put them high and dry. So this was to be expected. It's something about growing in buckets and super wet, rainy weather when the plants are not growing anymore. It's less bad to leave them in the ground than to leave them in the buckets. Leaving them in the buckets isn't good because a lot of them will rot. So here we have one that had a lot of scab, and that's always when the skin of the potato is compromised, that's always the point of entrance for the tuber to rot. So here we have a yellow potato, and you can see the rings of a rotten tuber, brown spots in there. But yeah, this one seems to be fresh and okay, and it's a pale yellow, so nothing interesting, so I'm not too sad about it. I'm a bit sad because that's rotten potato tubers, so no dinner. But yeah, I knew that this was a possibility, so just got to blame myself. Not every pot is a keeper and not every pot is a win, so it happens. Thanks for watching, happy gardening, and see you for the next potato reveal. Bye!